How much more ang documentation? Kasi never ho tinuro talaga sa kanila. Residency training, okay, in the hospital, in medical school, wala hong topic about PhilHealth. So, ito hong documentation o ito hong rules, medyo far off yan sa kanila. And now you ask the residents to do the CF4, it will die with a natural death eventually. Okay? It may work initially, but once nag-graduate yung mga residents ninyo, it will eventually die with a natural death. So ito, the documentation is not a priority for them. It is a nuisance, it is an inconvenience, and it is actually annoying. Okay, don't get me wrong. Okay? Ang dami ko hong kaibigang doktor. And kahit ako, kung ako yung doktor, I mean, ako, papasulat mo dyan? Oh, come on. Di ba yan ang sasabihin ko? I have thousands of reasons not to do it. Okay? Kasi they were never prepared for it. So, hindi ho talaga kasama sa plano ng buhay nila yan. Unfortunately, that is how the insurance will work.